Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Me Unique, and today we're just going to see how to enable the dark mode on your Pinterest account on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to turn on the or enable the dark mode on your Pinterest application on your mobile phone, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, open your Pinterest account, click on the unsaved option on the bottom, then click on your profile. After clicking on the profile, you have the option called account management. Click on this. After click on the account management, you have the option called app theme. Click on this. Now you have to choose the app theme like system default or Docker. Just going to set as Docker. So now your everything in your Pinterest account has been changed to the Docker mode. This is how you just enable the Docker mode on your Pinterest account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate. Be unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day.